How to clear videos watch history on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear videos watch history on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down until you find this one, activity log, and then all you need to do just go here and click videos watch it, and then just click clear video watch history and click clear, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.